Now you are going to do a project about your own endangered animal. First of all, you need to download this photocopy, which is on this page. If you can't print this photocopy, you can also just make a poster on a piece of paper about your animal instead. This is the information you need to include. Let's make it a bit bigger so you can see. It says here, endangered animals. Use the internet and non-fiction books to research the below endangered animals. You just do one animal. Here is the name of the animal. Status, endangered, so find an animal that's endangered. And it says, write a few sentences to describe this animal. You write as much as you can, okay? If you just want to write some words and not complete sentences, that's fine as well. Here, you draw a picture or print a picture and glue it here of the animal. This is the distribution. Shade the map to represent where the endangered animal can be found. So if the endangered animal is found in England, you would colour England. If the endangered animal is found in Australia, you colour Australia, okay? If the endangered animal is found all over the world, you would have to colour all the world. But I don't think it would be found all over the world if it's endangered, because it means there aren't many left. Here you have the approximate numbers remaining in the wild, okay? So you colour in the correct number approximately, okay, for how many are remaining in the wild. This is their diet. What do they eat? Write down some words to say what they eat here, or you can draw pictures if you want. And here are factors which have led to the animal becoming endangered. Why are they endangered? Okay, is it because people have been hunting them and killing them? Is it because their habitat has changed, so they don't have the food that they need? You decide. When you finish making this, okay, you need to go to Flipgrid on Thursday, okay? And on Flipgrid on Thursday, there will be a new Flipgrid where I want you to make a video presentation about your endangered animal. You don't have to send me this piece of paper. You have to show us this piece of paper and talk about your endangered animal in your Flipgrid video, which you can do from Thursday onwards. Okay? I hope you have fun finding out about an endangered animal. If you want, you can watch a YouTube video about an animal, or maybe you can look in a book. If you have a book in Italian about an endangered animal, that's fine, but you have to do your work here in English, obviously. Okay? Enjoy. Bye bye, Lucia.